Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to continue the classes. Okay, in this class we have to move forward in the next paragraph. Okay, let us understand this paragraph line by line. Before going to this paragraph, I would like to tell something about this paragraph. That is, this paragraph describes how the Princess of Monaco behaves exactly like the rulers of large kingdoms, although his kingdom is very small. Mind it. Then continue the paragraph. Keenly observe these sentences. Okay, he has his coronation. He has his coronation. His levies. His levies. This line means the prince celebrates his coronation ceremony. The prince celebrates his coronation ceremony and holds levees just like other kings. The word meaning of coronation is the grand ceremony in which a king is officially crowned. Levees means formal gatherings or receptions where the king meets important people in officials. Dear students, even though Monaco is a tiny kingdom, the prince follows all royal traditions. He wants to maintain the dignity and prestige of a real monarch. Okay. In the next line, he rewards, sentences, and pardons. He rewards, sentences, and pardons. This line means the prince performs important duties of a ruler. He rewards people for their good service, sentence for criminals by giving punishments, pardon people by forgiving their offenses. Okay, the word meaning of reward is give prizes, give honors, or recognition. Sentences means declares a legal punishment against the criminal. And then pardon means officially forgive a person's crime. Okay. And dear students, like any other king, the prince has the authority to punish and forgive. This shows that Monaco has a complete system of administration and justice. Okay, the next line, and he also has his reviews, councils, laws, and courts of justice, which means the prince also conducts market reviews, inspection of any army, councils, meetings with ministers and advisors, laws, rules to govern the kingdom, courts of justice, institutions that decide legal cases. Okay, the word meaning of review is officially inspection, especially of soldiers. Councils means advisory meetings. Courts of justice means courts where judges settle disputes and punish criminals. Okay, the students, in this line, Tolstoy lists all these institutions to show that Monaco functions like a proper kingdom with an organized government. Okay, in the next line, just like other kings, only all on a smaller scale, which means the prince does not everything had that other kings do, but because Monaco is such a tiny kingdom, everything is much smaller in size and importance. This is a humorous statement because Tolstoy gently makes fun of Monaco by showing that although it copies the grandeur of large nations, Everything there is miniature. The literary word humor means the contrast between a teeny kingdom and grand royal ceremonies creates amusement. It is an irony. Monaco behaves like a powerful empire despite its smaller size. Students, this sentence emphasizes or this paragraph emphasizes that the Prince of Monaco imitates the customs and responsibilities of a great kings. He has ceremonies, ministers, laws, and courts just like larger kingdoms. And however, Tolstoy humorously reminds us that all these arrangements exist on a smaller scale because Monaco itself is a very small state. In the next paragraph, in this paragraph, Tolstoy introduces the main conflict of the story. Let us understand it line by line. Carefully observe this line. Now it happened a few years ago that a murder was committed in this toy princess domains, which means a few years earlier a person committed a murder in the small kingdom ruled by the Prince of Monaco, which the word meaning committed means carried out or performed. Today's toy kingdom or toy princess domain means the small kingdom of the Prince of Monaco. The students, this line suggests or this line tells Tolstoy again calls Monaco a toy kingdom, although to emphasize its size tiny, but this murder becomes an extraordinary event because serious crimes were very rare there. Okay, in the next line, the people of that kingdom are peaceable, and such a thing had not happened before. This line means the people of Monaco were calm, law abiding, and peace lovers. A murder had never occurred there before. Okay, peaceable means peace loving and non violent. Okay, this sentence highlights the innocence and peaceful nature of the kingdom's citizens. Okay, therefore the murder shocked everyone. Okay, in the next line, the judges assembled with such ceremony and tried the case in the most judicial manner. This line tell about the judges gathered formally and conducted the trial according to proper legal procedures. The word meaning assembled is gathered together. Judicial manner means in accordance with the law and court procedure. Dear students, even though Monaco was small, its legal system functioned seriously and professionally. In the next line, there were judges and prosecutors and jurymen and barristers. Here we observe many officials participated in the trial, like judges, those who decide the case. Prosecutors, these are who lawyer who present the case against the accused one. Jurymen, the members of the jury who help decide guilt or innocence. Barristers are lawyers who argue case in court. Okay. Here also Tolstoy humorously lists all these legal officials to show that Monaco imitated the legal systems of larger countries. Okay. Dear students, I would like to end off this session. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. And also share this video with your friends and classmates. And also subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Meet you in the next class. Thank you for watching.